Farmer Marshall here. Figured I'd do a real short video. I just received my box from Ison Nursery, featuring my wonderful pomegranate and my black mission fig trees. So I'm going to take these puppies, get them in a pot temporarily until I figure exactly where I want to put them, and then I'm going to well, like I said, I'm gonna put them in a pot temporarily. I'm going to get some, I have some garden soil. So very happy with the way it looks though. It's a pretty good sized tree. This is the this is the pomegranate here, the taller one, which is about 4 feet tall. This is a fig tree, black mission fig. So I'm very happy with that. I think those are the only trees I have in here. There might be a third one. I know I was doing a bunch of ordering, so we shall see. But I'm giving this temporary pot. You know, this is probably from an old tree I had, so I'm gonna get that done, and I'll let you see the results.